guys, my name is Shreya, and in this video, I'll be teaching you guys about loops.
When we're writing an algorithm, or steps to complete a certain task in our code, we can use loops to repeat certain parts of our code. That way, instead of having to write out the same code over and over again, we can use a loop, which makes the code faster to write out and more efficient. So for example, let's say I have my little character over here, and I'm trying to code him to get to the top of the staircase. So what are the steps he needs to take? Well, first he has to move up, right? So my first step in my code will be move up. Then what? He has to move to the right. So my next step will be go right. Then he moves up again. So the next step is go up, and then he moves to the right. And I'm kind of starting to see that my code's starting to repeat, right? I have move up and to the right, then move up and to the right. If I look again, he's going to go up and to the right again. I'm repeating the same 2 steps every time. So instead of writing out the same 2 lines each time, I can use a loop. So I can say repeat. And in this case, it's going to be 4 times. Now, what are the steps that I'm repeating each time? Well, I say move up to the right, and then go up again to the right again. So I'm repeating the steps move up and move right. So that's what's going to be in my loop. So I'm going to say go up and then go to the right. Now let's try this out to see if it works. So to try it out, I'm going to repeat the whole set of instructions, move up and to the right 4 times. So I start with my character down here. I move up to the right, that's 1 time. Up, right, 2 times. 3, and that's 4 times. And I made it to the end, so we know it works. This is one type of loop you can use, in which we told the code to repeat a certain number of times. Another kind of loop we can use is called a while loop. A while loop works so that whatever is inside of the loop will run while a certain condition is true, meaning that whatever condition I write here, while that is a true statement, the loop will run. But once this statement is false, the loop stops running. Another type of loop we can use is called a repeat until loop. And this loop is kind of similar to a while loop, except that it's almost the reverse. This loop works so that whatever is inside of the loop will run until a certain condition is met, meaning that this loop will run while this condition is a false statement, and it'll stop running once this condition is a true statement. In the Blockly maze activity, we will be using the repeat until loops. This picture I have over here on the left is the loop from Blockly, and this is called a while loop or repeat until. So you can see that the condition it's giving me is this little red marker, which is over here. This means that whatever code I write inside the loop will repeat until my little character over here gets to the red marker. So if inside my loop I wrote move right, the character will move right until it reaches this red marker over here.